Well, welcome to week 14, the next to last week in the semester. And for week 14, we're still drafting. Again, I don't have to say this for the final due on May 11th. No late submission, resubmission, or extensions. So plan accordingly. For this week, well, we're just more drafting. There's going to be three things that you're going to upload to the discussion forum, a different section of your project 3, full text, paste it, an upload of your real world, a rough draft of it, and then feedback. You're going to give them feedback either on the real world sample or the draft of the section. That is all we're doing. We are just focusing on drafting, revising, polishing, drafting, revising, polishing. Very, very short lecture here. You just got to go and do it. So that's all I have to say. Again, I'll say it probably for the last time this semester. For individual questions, email me or inbox me for questions that you have that the whole class can benefit from. Put them in the extra credit discussion forum. Bye.